Change takes place around us all the time. Change that we can see in our daily life. The change happening around us can be categorized into physical change and chemical change. Hello, my name is Blair and welcome to Science is Cool. Today we will learn about the basic change in state of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid has a definite shape and volume, just like our rice, table, sand, and iron. Liquid has a definite volume but has no definite shape. Liquid takes the shape of its container, just like alcohol, kerosene, cooking oil, and water. And gas has no definite shape and volume. It fills up its container completely. For example, air, oxygen, helium, and carbon dioxide. In a physical change, the shape, size, and state of matter of the substance may change, but no new substance is formed. Heat causes the change in state of matter. This is what happened to an ice cube that is left outside. The ice cube gained heat from the surrounding. It changed into water as liquid. This process is called melting. If we put the water back to the freezer, it will cool and change into ice as solid. This process is known as freezing. How about when the water is heated? It boils and changes into steam as hot gas. This process is called boiling. Note that the steam is invisible and transparent and colorless. When the steam is cool, this will change into water. This process is called condensation. Water can change into water vapor as a gas at a room temperature through evaporation. Water vapor is also invisible and colorless gas. Water vapor in the air changes into water when it is cooled by a cold object, like a glass of ice water. The water droplets are formed on the outside part of the glass. This is also an example of condensation. At an extreme low temperature, water vapor in the air cools and changes into ice or frost as a solid without passing through a liquid state. This process is known as disposition. At a room temperature, dry ice, also known as solid carbon dioxide, gains heat from the surrounding and changes into gas without passing through a liquid state. This process is called sublimation. Dry ice is usually used to create low-lying fog effect in theaters or even in drinks like fancy cocktails. This process can also be undone or reversed. Ice can be changed back into water by heat, and water can be frozen, changed back to ice. Some substance dissolve in water. When salt is mixed into water, the salt dissolves in water. Its particles spread evenly among the water particles. We can get the saltwater solution by evaporating the water from the salt solution by boiling the water, leaving the salt back to its original form. Not all substances dissolve in water. Sand and chalk are not dissolved in water. However, not all physical change is reversible. Tearing a piece of paper into pieces is considered physical change, as the size and shape of the piece of paper have changed as the size and shape of the paper has changed and no new substance is formed. We cannot put the small piece of paper back to its pieces. Cutting a hair, breaking an egg, cutting a wood, peeling an orange are irreversible. Chemical change is a chemical reaction caused in a substance and it produces a new substance. Baking a bread is a chemical change. We mix ingredients such as flour, sugar, water, bread, and yeast, and bake the dough in the oven. The dough absorbs the heat from the oven and it undergoes a chemical change. Can we get the ingredients back from the bread? We cannot get the ingredients back from the bread. Chemical change are irreversible. Burning is a chemical change. This process forms a new substance. When the wood is burnt, it is irreversible. A metal rusting is a chemical change too. It is also irreversible. Let's check the diagram of change of state of matter. Matter can change its state when it cooled and heated. When a matter is heated, the particle absorbs the heat energy and vibrates or moves faster. When matter is cooled, its particles release heat energy and vibrate or move slower. Remember that boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, while the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. That's it for now for our Science is Cool change of state of matter. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to keep updated with our latest video. I'm Blair saying bye for now and see you in the next episode. And remember that science means knowing because science is cool. Ciao!